Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use yellow color, the alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use green color, Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use blue color, Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O-N-E 1. Kids now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, TWO2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, THRW3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, FOUR4. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use blue color, FIVE5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw square, the shape of square, and use red color, Kids now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use yellow color, Kids now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color, black color. Kids need a heart, the shape of heart, and use green color, green color. Kids last draw star, the shape of star, and use blue color, blue color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes square, circle, triangle, heart and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.